Hello, today we are going to talk about FlexiLoan's business loan. Let's talk about eligibility criteria. Any salaried person and self-employed are eligible for Finex Supply Chain Business Loan. Having minimum turnover more than 20 lakh. Co-applicant age should be between 23 year to 65 year. His or her CIBIL score should be more than 700. Now let's talk about loan criteria. If person is eligible, she may get loan amount up to 1 lakh to 1 crore. Tenure will be 12 month to 36 month. Rate of interest will be 18% to 27% at reducing rate. Turnaround time is 2 days for sanction and 3 days for disbursement. Foreclosure charges will be 4%. Processing fees will be 3% of the loan amount. Part payment is allowed. Business registration proof is mandatory. Co-applicant is mandatory when applicant is other than individual or proprietorship firm. Business vintage should be 1 year. Processing will be online. Ownership proof is required, either office or residence. One should be owned anywhere in India. A unique selling point or USP is one of the important things in a company or business. USP of FlexiLoan's business loan: 1 year business vintage required, both side rented applicant. Location will be Pan India. Let's talk about some negative points. Negative profiles are school, advocates, share traders, real estate. No specific product for professionals. Required documents: KYC of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year ITR with computation of income of applicant and co-applicant. Last 3-year tax audited balance sheet of applicant. Last 12-month bank statement of applicant and co-applicant. 26 as of last year of applicant and co-applicant. Copy of GST registration. Copy of MSME registration. Copy of last 12-month GST return. Sanction letter of all running loan. Debt sheet. Latest utility bill of residence if owned or rent agreement if rented. Latest utility bill of office if owned or rent agreement if rented. To reference with contact details. Last 3-year debtors and creditors on letterhead. List of directors and shareholders if applicant if company, or list of partners if applicant is partnership LLP.